Thank you to Moose Toy for sending us all these 3 little life pets. We have little turtle here, we have little dipper fish, and we have a little birdie. So here we have the little turtle. It says, I move like a real turtle. I walk on land and I swim in the water. And there are 3 here to collect. There's the snow breeze turtle, there's the pippy drop turtle, and there's the sandy turtle. Here's the little dippers, little life pets fish. They include fish feeder, and it said to open, you hold the bag under the water and the fish just magically swim out. Last but not least, here's the little bird. It has 20 or more bird sound. My head turns and I talk back. So here's it. I record your voice and say it back. The more you pet, the more I sing. And this is the one we have. Her name is Tritarina. It looks like there's a 5 to collect. So here's the little light pets, little birds. They're the sweetest little bird you ever meet. These adorable little brown birds with big, beautiful eyes and long eyelashes. They will come to life on your hand as you pet them and interact with them. Wings are soft and flexible, you see. It has a nice gold yellow design. Looks like you peel this off. Oh, the head turns once you peel it off. And looks like she doesn't come with batteries. She needs 2 AAA batteries. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Hello. You're petting her. Hello.
Hello. Hello. I am Spider-Man.
So next we're gonna open the little dipper fish, and according to the instructions on how to open it, first you remove the card wrapper, which is this. You remove this. So once you take this out of the cardboard, there's a tape underneath which you are not allowed to open. So you're just gonna leave it alone, okay? Once you put this bag inside the water, the fish is gonna swim out. These beautiful fish are the most magical unboxing experience. So as you dip it into the water, the bag fills up and the water will activate these beautiful toy fish and they will come to life and they will swim off the bag. How cool is that? And this is the bottle feeder. So we're going to try to feed the fish and see if it come up for the treat. So the bottle feeder is kind of like a magnetic. So you just put it down and she will come up for it. Yeah, she's feeding it. So here's a little turtle named Sandy. She has some cute design of seashells and coral leaves on her back. And here's a cute little face. So you ready to put them in the water and see what happens? So these little turtles are the cutest toy pets that move and act so real. They are like a real turtle. They can swim in the water. And they can also walk on land using their flippers. And here's the microphone under here. Trivia question. Which toy do we open first?
Comment down below for this video.
Remember to leave us a like And if you haven't subscribed yet, remember to subscribe. And we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.